don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.
What's up YouTube, it's Erwin and I'm back here with my week 32 Minoxidil update. And if you're from Oakwood and you're watching this, make sure to vote Jasmine Ivor on February 22nd for Athletic VP. She's going to be working with you and for you to make a change. So yeah, make sure to vote for her February 22nd, Jasmine Ivor, Athletic Vice. Thank you guys for joining me today. Shout out to my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. I appreciate all the support. So usually I have my beard looking all nice for these videos and stuff, but it is just past 11. I applied Minoxidil around 8 this morning, and so I'm not due to wash it off in another hour. So your boy is looking rough right now. All the ashiness. This is how I be walking around like campus and stuff, but you know, it's a means to an end. But yeah, jumping straight into the update, there's not a big deal of change from the last one. I think my growth is kind of like plateaued now. Not much growth, linear growth, as I said. However, my cheeks up here, I'll come closer, don't mind the ashiness. You can't really tell in the camera for real, but it's starting to, the density and the thickness is starting to improve in my cheeks in these areas right here. So that's good. I did go to the barber. I asked him not to line my cheeks again, even though the last time I went to him, I got him to line it, and that really made my beard stand out. But this time, to avoid him potentially lowering my cheek line anymore, I just told him to skip it this time. One thing I've noticed is that my beard the hair isn't really improving in thickness and length right now. I have to do some research into how I could potentially improve those areas. But other than that, I've been derma rolling and stuff, so here I'm noticing some new vellus, some really tiny vellus appearing right here and on my cheeks and stuff. So I'll have you guys have a look. This is my right side, always been my weaker side. Again, don't mind the ashiness. And it's the middle, you know how it looks regular. Under, still have this little patch, but it's slowly filling in. Hopefully it'll catch up with the rest of it. And you can kind of still see the patches from the two shedding spots. And this is the right. This is how the right looks. I mean, this is the left. This is the stronger side. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave them in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates on my journey. Make sure you check out my other segments, my Minoxaholic segment and my bearded series. Make sure you check them out and let me know what you guys think. So that's it for this week's episode. I'll see you next time on The Beard Necessities. Peace.